Grade 12, Math Trigonometric Identities and Equations Part 3. Welcome back to Djji Tutorials. Today we are discussing double angle identities in trigonometry. These are formulas that relate the trigonometric functions of an angle, theta, to the trigonometric functions of double that angle, suth. They are derived from sum and difference identities, and are useful for simplifying expressions and solving equations involving trigonometric functions. These are formulas that relate the trigonometric functions of an angle, theta, to the trigonometric functions of double that angle, suth. They are derived from sum and difference identities, and are useful for simplifying expressions and solving equations involving trigonometric functions. Key double angle identities: sine sin, suth equals sine 2 sin, the cos, cosine, o cos, suth equals sine cos 2 the, sinth o cos, suth equals sine 2 cos 2 theta, 1 o cos, suth equals sine 1, 2 sine 2 theta, tangent, tan, suth equals sine 2 tan theta, 1 tan tooth. These identities allow you to express trigonometric functions of double angles in terms of trigonometric functions of the original angle, which can be helpful in various mathematical and scientific applications. Double angle identities in trigonometry express trigonometric functions of double an angle, suth, in terms of trigonometric functions of the single angle, theta. Examples include sin, suth, equals sine 2 sin, the cos, suth equals sine cos tooth, sin tai, and tan tooth equals sine 2 tan theta, 1 tan theta. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Sin, suth equals sine 2 sin, the cos. This identity expresses the sine of a double angle in terms of the sine and cosine of the single angle. Cos tooth equals sine cos tooth as, sin tooth. This identity expresses the cosine of a double angle in terms of the squares of the sine and cosine of the single angle. There are two other forms of this identity. Cos, suth equals sine 2 cos 2 theta, 1 and cos, suth equals sine 1, 2 sine 2 theta, tan, suth equals sine 2 tan theta, 1 tan tooth. This identity expresses the tangent of a double angle in terms of the tangent of the single angle. Here's a question involving double angle identities with its solution. Question: if sin equals sine 3/5 and theta is in the first quadrant, find the exact value of sin, suth, and cos, second. Solution: 1. Find cos. Since sin equals sine 3/5 and theta is in the first quadrant, cos must be positive. Using the Pythagorean identity, sin plus cos tooth equals sine 1, we get cos tooth equals sine 1, 3/5, 2 equals sine 1, 9/25 equals sine 16/25. Therefore, cos f equals sine 4/5. 1. Apply the double angle formulas, sin, suth. Using the double angle formula sin, suth, equals sine 2 sin, thought cos. We have sin, suth, equals sine 2, 4/5, equals sine 24/25. Cos, suth, using the double angle formula cos, suth, equals sine cos 2, sin tot. We have cos, suth equals sine 4/5, 2, 3/5. 2 equals sine 16/25, 9/25 equals sine 7/25. Therefore sin, suth, equals sine 24/25, and cos, suth, equals sine 7/25. Hope you find this session useful. Please share with your peers. See you next time.